Have you ever thought about having a custom report which covers all the aspects of order processing in a single dashboard in NetSuite? Do not worry, we have got a solution for you. BOLDSuite Analytics, a custom connector to source data from NetSuite and Power BI. This report shows you a breakdown of all the orders placed within a specific time period. With this report, you can see Ticker Slicer. It shows you the list of all items with their inventory status. The first value is quantity in hand before processing the order, and the second value is remaining count of items after processing the order. Here, perfect order rate tells you the percentage of orders processed on time. Here you can see the orders processed on time and orders that are processed late. Here you can see the net amount consumed per class. You can categorize them in different classes and view insights the way you want to see. This gives you an overview of sales amount by vendor, by sales rep, by items and by customers. Here you can see the net amount versus quantity billed comparison over the period of time, by monthly and yearly basis. With BOLDSuite Analytics Order Summary Report, you also have access to view complete order details which you can export to Excel as well. With that, Inventory Tracker gives you an idea about how many items have been sold versus how many are in hand. And here in Inbound/Outbound Tracker, you can view how many items have been purchased versus how many items were sold, and the remaining inventory count. Reap the benefits from the years of investment you have made in your NetSuite system.